Wow, all that little text is the ingredients. That whole thing is the ingredients. Well,
What the fuck?
So hot, I can't. Okay, I know. I'll crack the windows and just be a big girl for a little bit. That's what I'll do. Yeah, it's hot as hell. I'm gonna have to hurry. I'm actually sitting outside of Walmart right now because I'm sick. I'm some sort of sick. I don't think it's the virus. I'm not running a fever. I don't have like any of the symptoms, but I do think I have maybe like a cold, like a bad cold or something. I did a DIY neti pot. It was rough. Yeah. It's like really hard to film in my house right now just because of reasons. But I'm late as hell. But we're going to do it right now anyway. I'm sitting here trying to decide if I want to go to the doctor or not because I don't want to risk like being around those germs. I have masks and stuff. Like everywhere I go, I wear one of these. And I have hella Germ-X. Side note, I didn't have Germ-X for like a week because I couldn't find any anywhere. And then I found some and life feels good again. Before all of this, like I'm a germ weirdo. I'm a weirdo in every area, I'm pretty sure. I have cuticle oil on my fingers though, so I need to wipe that off before it gets on everything. For the other OCD people out there, this is my favorite cleaner. I already did the outside of the box. And after I take the things out, I'll probably do each item just because they're out in my car. And I keep one of these in my car so when I go in somewhere, I can clean off. Clorox wipes are rather hard to find these days. So I tend to end up using like some of these along with this on all of my stuff. Being cautious about like what comes in the mail and stuff like that right now. So I just figured I'd let y'all know. I plan to do like a self-care thing. Like I know nail salons have opened back up and stuff, but I don't really care because I still like to do my own things. This is what sucks about filming in your car because this is a sketchy place anyway. Okay. I got my pepper spray. Y'all better not. Oh my God, I'm already getting hot. I gotta hurry. Okay, so real quick before I like get into the items, if you don't have the Allure box, like what do? I literally get so excited to get this box, and the only reason I wait to open it is so that I can film it sometimes. And then a lot of times I'll just give up and open it anyway. I filmed it twice and then I only posted it once or something like that. There's a guy walking around. Yeah, I just have to. So if I keep looking in my mirror, it's just to make sure this dude don't like approach my car. I can see you, sir. The other boxes like the Ipsy and Play and all those, like it's like hit or miss. Like, the reason why I like to film and talk about the Allure one is because it's $15 a month and you will literally have one item that pays for that, like right off the bat. Like this lipstick is from the November box or the December box that I filmed a few months ago before I took like a hiatus. I love all of the things that they send me and it's exciting. So let me stop running my mouth and get into this thing. So the first thing is Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. True unicorn root. Unicorn root? Where's my iPad? I need to Google that. Glycolic, I know, is like an exfoliant. I need info. What is unicorn root? Is that a plant? I'm guessing. Because unicorns don't have roots. This is from HuffPost, so slightly credible. True unicorn root, or Alitris farinosa, has estrogen-like properties and can help counteract the effects of estrogen loss in the skin when used topically. Okay. And then botanical.com says... I'm not going to read all this. I will definitely be using this. Right now is the time of year that my skin starts hating me. Throughout the rest of the year, my skin is dry. As it's getting hot and humid outside, I'm like oily. And I try to like today, I'm not even wearing like concealer. I'm not wearing powder. All I did was like tinted moisturizer. It has 50 SPF. I can't remember which one it is, but I will plug it in here. I really like it. I don't know if you can see. It actually may not be a tinted moisturizer. It may be just a foundation. I don't know. I don't feel good, okay? And I'm on my period, so my brain's going to be all over the place, per usual. I just like the way it looks. I literally have nothing on my actual skin other than that, a little bit of bronzer, and just tiny bit of highlight. That's all I have for my base. And that's like all I'm going to do in the summertime because I can't do powder. It may keep it like mattified or whatever. It starts feeling too thick on my face, and I don't like that. It's like drugstore. It was like $10 or $11. Not that I know shit, but I highly recommend it. Next one is AHC Essential Eye. Is every product going to be confusing today? Essential Eye Cream for face. Eye cream for the whole face. That sounds good and all, but like, what's in here? Wow. This whole, all that little text is the ingredients. That whole thing is the ingredients. Wow. I'm seeing collagen, palm oil. Is there fragrance? That's what I need to know. Dr. Dre on YouTube, she has taught me a lot about skincare, and literally, like, the reason why you don't want fragrance in your I'm getting hot, but I do feel better. I think just getting out of the house for a few minutes, and I got some Pedialyte, and I drank it so that I knew that I wasn't just feeling bad because I'm dehydrated or whatever, because I've been slacking on my water intake again. Yeah, so what was I saying? Oh, the reason why you don't want fragrance in your products isn't necessarily because everybody's like allergic to fragrance or that, you know, you could have a reaction to it. It's more of like there's no need for it. And so even if that particular fragrance doesn't bother your skin, you actually don't even know what's in fragrance. When it says fragrance, it can be like a million different things inside of that actual fragrance. So it's more of like you don't want it to irritate your skin or your skin to build up an irritation. I'm not a doctor, but she is. Okay, moving on. I've had Curology, but what was it that I had before? A cleanser? I liked it. Smooth Sailing Moisturizer. Let's see. I don't see any fragrance, so that's good. I have to be careful right now with the ingredients more so than in the wintertime. You know, but right now with my skin getting oily because it's hot outside, I hate like feeling like I have a bunch of stuff on my face. I hate that. Like, if I don't I probably will go to the doctor, but either way, whenever I get home, if I don't immediately start filming the other video that I'm going to film tonight, I will have to take this off. Like, I will have to take this off. I can't stand it. I feel like I'm just like producing zits as I'm sitting here. I've been having some pore issues, like this area. Like, I don't understand what's going on with that right now. It's like really pissing me off, actually. Like, why are you doing this to me? Okay, 2 more things after this one. When I get hot, I feel like I'm drunk. It's like I can't, my motor skills start fucking up. Help me. Okay, this is the Skin Ink My Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten. Is it like a serum or is it a moisturizer? Vitamin A, chlorella extract. So I guess it is a serum because it says to apply 3 drops daily before moisturizer. I'm excited about this. Next, we have VDL. I've never seen or heard of this company brand. Luma Layer Primer. A glow-enhancing primer for the glass-like skin finish. Violet Luma... Reading is hard.
Violet Luma Layer pigments that reflect red lighting for brightening the skin and blue lighting to express clean and clear glass-like skin to bring out your...
Luminescent... Blah, blah, blah. It has Japanese writing on it, so it's probably good. If it's in Japanese, I don't know what it says, but it usually ends up being good. I want to do like a self-care video tonight. Did I already say that? If I did, I'm saying it again. I want to do like a self-care video because I just need to do like a mask. I need to do like my nails. In another video coming up, I want to just do my makeup, like a get ready with me, but I I don't even like calling them that because I'm not usually getting ready to go anywhere. Because whenever I want to do like a get ready with me or whatever, I want to do like my skincare. I want to do like, you know, all of the steps. But that takes a while, especially if I'm talking whilst doing so. I plan on going ahead and filming that and like a couple other things so that throughout the week I can just edit.
Whoa!
That was the universe telling me to shut up. But yeah. This is a sheet mask. I'm not a fan of sheet masks, honestly, but maybe this will be in my self-care video. It's called When Glamour Base Biocellulose Sheet Mask. There's fragrance in this. Maybe since it's a mask, it'll be fun. And it's like the second to last ingredient, so there's probably not a lot, but let's see. I like all the other ingredients. Sodium hyaluronate, citrus grandis seed extract. All of those are just like usually fruit, like the extract things. Hydrolyzed collagen. Yeah. I'll save it for, I don't know what I'll title it because it'll probably be based off of something that I talk about in the video. So just make sure you watch. I keep forgetting lately to say subscribe, so I can do that. Okay.